Fusion Connect Microsoft Teams customers can now order additional add-on services to your Teams account directly from your client portal if the services are already applicable to your account per site. Such add-ons include adding Microsoft Teams calling numbers, failover numbers, international numbers, toll-free numbers, and SMS, MMS for Teams. To do this in your orders tile, you'll click New Order and a new tab will open. You'll click Order Additional Voice Services. A list of your sites will be listed, so pick the site you want to order your services to. We'll use this one for example. So at this site you can see that we have Microsoft Teams telephone numbers and Microsoft Teams toll-free numbers. To add to this quantity, simply add here to the quantity list and click Next. Here the local numbers are at top, the toll-free numbers are at the bottom. To order this local number, you can assign a specific number by state and location from the drop-downs. We'll choose Colorado, for example, and Aspen. I can have Fusion assign me the numbers directly, brand new numbers, or if I have a specific number request, choose I have a number request, enter the area code and prefix that you want, and if those numbers are available, we'll have them assigned. The same goes for your toll-free. So for toll-free numbers, if you want a brand new toll-free number, you can choose Fusion to select your numbers for you, or if you have a specific toll-free number request, enter the toll-free number here in the box. For this example, we'll just have Fusion assign the local numbers in toll-free. Click Next. The next page allows you to select equipment for your Microsoft Teams numbers. From the equipment drop-down, you can choose wireless headsets, phones, and/or conference phones. We'll choose the CCX500. You can see here the purchase price, rental price, or if it's your customer provided equipment. You'll click Add to add this phone to the order. For this example, we're not going to add a phone, and we'll click Next. Here is your preview and submit page, providing you the services you're ordering, the quantities, and the monthly cost. Simply click Submit Order to submit your order. Note that numbers with failover is the same way. We'll use this site for example. As you can see, this site has Microsoft Teams calling numbers already assigned and Microsoft Teams numbers with failover. If you wish to add a Microsoft Teams telephone number with failover, if it's already selected for that site, you'll have the availability to do so, following the same steps. The same goes for international numbers. If your account has international numbers, from your main overview page, you'll select New Order in your Orders tile. You'll choose Order Additional Voice Services. Here you can see the same. You have Microsoft Teams calling phone numbers for Australia and calling telephone numbers with failover for Australia. Ordering one of each or the quantities you select, click Next, and you can see here that they're international numbers that you're ordering. If you want Fusion to assign generic numbers, click the first box. If you have a special request for an MPA and XX for Australia, click the I have a special number request box, putting in the number you request, and click Next. For this example, we'll choose Fusion to select the numbers. Again, here is your preview and submit page, providing you of what you're ordering. Submit order. Going back to our overview page, if you want to add SMS, MMS for Teams, if it's already on your account, you'll select New Order in your Orders tile. Here you're going to choose Order Additional Voice Services. And if you have a multitude of voice services, meaning hosted voice and Teams calling, you'll have this drop down. You'll choose Teams Calling for your Teams Calling order and click Select. Here's a list of your existing Teams Calling services on your account. Teams Calling Numbers US, numbers with failover in the US. You already have SMS MMS for Teams with 1,000 text messages available a month, and then SMS for Teams with 2,000 text messages available per month. If you wish to add an SMS MMS service, you can add its quantity to the quantity column and click Next. Here you'll build out your name, add an email address of your user, and click Next. If you want to add a piece of equipment, meaning a phone, you can do so here at this page. We'll just continue without a phone selected and click Next. So here's your order for one SMS MMS for Teams with 2,000 text messages available per month. With its monthly charge, you can click Submit Order.